Imagine a dish that's a symphony of flavors. The succulence of duck, the richness of crab meat, and the zest of orange. Today we're going on a culinary journey to create this masterpiece. Orange crab meat stuffed duck. To get started, you'll need a whole duck, about 5 to 6 pounds, seasoned with salt, black pepper, and dried herbs. The duck is then stuffed with quartered onion, oranges, garlic, and bay leaves. Once prepared, place the duck on a rack in a roasting pan and roast in a preheated oven until golden and crispy. While the duck is resting, it's time to prepare the crab meat stuffing. Begin by melting butter in a large skillet, then sauté finely chopped onion, celery, garlic, and bell peppers until soft. Stir in fresh breadcrumbs, lump crab meat, chopped parsley, Old Bay seasoning, salt and black pepper, and cook for a few more minutes. The next step is to carefully remove the orange and onion quarters from the duck cavity and replace them with the prepared crab meat stuffing. For the finishing touch, prepare an orange glaze by combining orange juice, chicken broth, brown sugar, soy sauce, and Grand Marnier in a saucepan. Thicken the mixture with a cornstarch slurry and simmer until it forms a glaze. Now, it's time to elevate the duck to a whole new level. Brush the duck with the orange glaze and place it under the broiler for a few minutes to caramelize and further crisp the skin. After a few minutes of rest, carve the stuffed duck into slices and serve with additional orange glaze on the side. This orange crab meat stuffed duck is more than just a dish, it's an experience. It's a feast for the eyes, a delight for the palate, and a journey for the senses. Perfect for a special occasion or an unforgettable dinner, it's a dish that's sure to impress. Enjoy the process, savor every bite, and most of all, have fun creating this culinary masterpiece.